GoPro just announced GoPro MAX, a $499 dual lens camera that GoPro swear to be far better device than its previous consumer version, the GoPro Fusion right here. I love GoPro Fusion and I use it to create breathtaking 360 footage like this. But as you saw the title of this video, judging from the newly released spec, the Max is no better than the Fusion. It is still 5.6K in 30 frames per second. That is less than Insta360 One X or Views XR. The really disappointing thing is Max decided to only use one micro SD card instead of two like Fusion. The bitrate of Max, according to GoPro official website, is 78 megabit per second compared to Fusion, which is each card around 65 megabit per second with total bitrate of 130 megabit per second. It is 40% raw data loss. For 360 video, the image quality is going to suffer by more aggressive compression. Again, I don't have the GoPro Max just yet. I don't really know the image quality comparison. I do pre-order the camera though, so when I have it on hand, I will give you a detailed, in-depth tutorial and review. But if you cannot wait till October 25th, here is my opinion by reading and researching all their marketing material. By the way, their website is down right now after the release. So, if you want to cut through the marketing bullshit, read the meaning behind the spec from a 360 video expert. Here you go. Hey, what's up everybody, it's your boy Hugh here from Creator Up, the #1 YouTube channel dedicated to 360 filmmaking for everyone. Lots of my friends hitting me up now and express their disappointment of GoPro Max specs. So, should you buy the GoPro Hero Max if you already own the GoPro Fusion? Or should you get a GoPro Fusion instead of the Max, as it is only $299 right now or even cheaper on eBay? Well, there are still lots of great reasons why you want to upgrade to the GoPro Max. I speak from a 360 content creator perspective. I don't really care about the gimmicky over capture 2D video or the new hero mode that probably better on the Heroes 8 Black. So let me give you a list of reasons for spending another $500 on GoPro. Of course, if you have the extra cash for new toys. New compression codecs. Both Max and Heroes 8 Black support H.265 or HEVC compression. This is an advanced standard used on Insta360 Titan, Techie VMAX 3D, and the newly released Panasonic S1H 6K full-frame DSLR. The advantage is higher quality with less file size. So, if we capture 78 megabit per second in H.265, in theory, it should be equal to 150 megabit per second in H.264, higher than the current GoPro Fusion, which is 130 megabit per second with 2 SD cards. If you watch my Insta360 Titan sample footage, H.265 compression can also do 10-bit color depth video and has impressive image quality when stretching it back out into ProRes. So I hope Max PC desktop software can really do that like the amazing Fusion desktop software to leverage H.265 in its max potential. GP1 chips versus Ambisonic chips. The Max used the brand new GoPro GP1 image signal processor, ISP, instead of what Fusion or Insta360 One X use, the Ambisonic chip. Well, what does that mean? You can read all about why GP1 is better here, and I will post the link below. But basically, it gives you the same image quality boost from GoPro Hero 4 to GoPro Hero 7. If you own those GoPro, you will know what I mean. Having a third-party chip is also one of the main issues why Fusion is so hard to upgrade and unlock new features. Now, with GoPro very own GP1, they can do whatever they want to low-level coding. So it means faster upgrade and more feature in the future release. So it is quite a big deal that seems like nobody won't mention about it. Spatial audio. This reason alone will make me buy the new Max. The Max has 6 high-quality microphones with advanced wind noise reduction. 6 channels are close to second-order Ambisonic. In theory, it should be better than my Zoom H3VR right here. So potentially, you can replace the H3VR with the Max to capture spatial audio and to give the director a live view in a professional production, instead of doing stuff like this. Weight and dimension. The Max is a lot lighter than the Fusion. It only weighs 154 G. The Fusion weighs 220 G. It's also a little bit smaller than the Fusion. This is really important if you are going to attach your 360 camera on drone like I do. It lets you fly longer and safer. Replaceable lens cover and waterproof. One thing I love about my old Nikon key mission is replaceable lens cover. Now, Max has that as well. It is also waterproof up to 16 feet, 5 meters. So for all those surfers, this is a great news. Video stabilization and horizon leveling. Fusion has the best 360 video stabilization in the industry, and Max promised even better stabilization with new horizon leveling. I'm very excited about this and can't wait to throw this on my one reel to give it a test. 16,000 mAh removable battery. GoPro Fusion is one of the long-lasting 360 camera in the market. Just a little bit shorter than Candle Coolcam, but a lot better than Insta360 One X and Views XR. Max is even better. Now it comes with a removable 16,000 mAh rechargeable battery. Practically it lasts all day. Touchscreen with shortcuts. Even though this is a very consumer-focused feature, having touchscreen is really nice with your camera is mounting on somewhere, and you need to really quickly to adjust setting. Max time mode, hyperlapse, and mobile editing. Again, another consumer and gimmicky feature in my opinion. Nothing new here, as Insta360 One X can already do that. Okay, let's quickly take a look at some of the disappointments. There is basically no 60 frames per second. 1440p is basically unusable in VR. I said it, but I will say it again. 1 micro SD card instead of 2 with limited bitrate will greatly impact image quality. 16.6 MP to 60 photo is low compared to other competitors, and there is no raw DNG or bracketed HDR feature. If you are a 360 Virtual 2 creator, stay away from GoPro. Night lapse photos and videos, aka long exposure mode, are also not available in the Max, but it is available in the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Resolution is the biggest disappointment of all. We all hope Max can do 8K video, but it cannot. it does not even do 5.7K, which is the max resolution of Oculus Quest right here. So it will be tough to mix with a professional 360 camera unless you upscale your footage. As I mentioned, I pre-ordered the GoPro MAX and it should come in the mail soon, so I can do in-depth review and comparison with the old GoPro Fusion, Insta360 One X, Views XR, and even the Insta360 Titan in H.265 10-bit color. You need to compare it to a professional camera to really see the image quality difference. And that's why this channel is so different from all the other YouTube channels you saw. I bought most of my cameras, including the brand new GoPro MAX, so I can be unbiased and speak my mind. So subscribe for the actual GoPro MAX review, and I will see you next time.
Everybody. Right now, I am in the middle of the jungle in Costa Rica. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Hugh here, and I'm with Spatial, my super awesome DP here. Hey everybody, right now we are in the middle of the jungle in Costa Rica. So in the rainforest, it's gonna always rain, so it's raining actually right now, and we have to get the shot. We cannot depend on the weather, so we put a head on top of the camera. We gotta play the top part, we gotta still use the light, and we gotta just get the best of the footage.